Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in partnership with Tatbrow to show you their microblade pen. As you can see, here is a before and after. My brows are filled in to look beautifully natural but fuller, like I've had them microbladed but completely painless. The Tatbrow Microblade Pen is the perfect alternative to microblading. It's available in 6 great natural colours and features a fork-like tip for more precise and realistic looking hair strokes. The tip of the pen has been designed to mimic real hair strokes. If you want more of a defined brow, you just apply a little bit more pressure. If you want a softer brow, use a lighter hand. I'm demonstrating here just how easy it is to apply. As you can see, it is completely waterproof, it's sweat proof, transfer proof, but if you want to remove it, it's as simple as using a facial wipe. Starting at the base of the eyebrow at the front, we're going to pull the pen upwards, following the direction of the natural hair growth, mimicking those fine hair strands. Then we're going to fill in the top half of the eyebrow, again following the direction of the natural hair growth. Here you want to use a lighter hand, as naturally this area tends to be a little bit lighter. Continue along to fill in the areas that are sparse. Using the pen in a swiping motion will give you more of a defined line, which is great to do underneath the arch of your eyebrow for more definition. This is also a great tip for when you're filling in the tail of your eyebrow. Here you can see the brows in comparison to one another. This is a great way to fill in your brows for a very natural but defined finish. We're going to repeat the same method on our other eyebrow. I think the most important thing to remember when doing your brows is less is more, and they are not twins, they are sisters, so it's okay for them not to look identical. The more pressure you apply, the deeper the colour will come out onto your brows, so again use a light hand to begin with, use it as a guide and then repeat over the same lines if you want the colour to be more defined. Eyebrows really frame the face, so it's quite important to make a feature of them. They don't have to be really prominent, but a little bit of definition really does go a long way. And making sure you have a bit of an arch to your brows will help to really lift your eyes. So I'm just going to show you again how waterproof this product is. I've got a tiny amount of water on my finger. I'm going to run it through my brows just to show you that even with pressure applied, the product does not move. Here we can see both eyebrows. The pen has created fuller looking natural brows that's painless and lasts all day. So if you are interested in trying out the Tatbrow Microblade Pen for yourself, I'm going to list it in the description bar below. Please give the tutorial a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new to my channel, come follow me outside of YouTube on my social handles which will be on screen for you now. Last week's tutorial is on screen if you missed it, and I will see you next week. Bye!